Hello, how are you? Look, today we're going to make this absolutely delicious prawn or shrimp curry. It really is fabulous. So what I've got here is 1 kg or 2.2 pound of prawns, shell on. I've just taken the heads and peeled the heads off. What we're going to do, you can see I've got a glove on. We're going to add some salt, pepper and lemon juice to this. So I've got about 4 tablespoons of lemon juice, or lime juice works really well, and 2 teaspoons of salt and pepper. I'm using white pepper today, but please go ahead and use black pepper. So a little mix there, and then set them aside. I'm going to put some shrink wrap on them and then stick them in the fridge while we get the masala together. So I've got some coconut oil. I'm starting off with about a tablespoon. We're just going to melt that down, and then I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. Just going to let them do their thing for a few seconds. Then we're going to be adding 1 cup of onion. Cut it fairly small. Fresh chili to taste. The amount's entirely up to you. We're on an above medium heat. Be back in about 3 or 4 minutes. Beautiful. Next step, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Salt to taste. And then we're going to go again for about another 2 to 3 minutes this time. Stir often. Okay, here we go. 2 cups of tomatoes. Try and use a nice fresh, juicy, ripe tomato. We're now going to add some powders. I've got 4 powders here. 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 of turmeric, 1 of cumin, 1 of coriander. In that goes. Little mix. We're going to go for maybe 5 or 6 minutes now. Really want to cook them down to they're fairly mushy. You can see they've broken down beautifully. Right, let's grab our lovely prawns, drop them in. Staying on this above medium heat, we're going to go for about another 4 or 5 minutes, depending on the size of your shrimps or prawns. I mean, these are kind of medium size. I mean, maybe a little bit more than medium, but yeah, these would be like 4 or 5 minutes. Look at that, fabulous. Right, here we go. I've got 250 ml of coconut milk. I'm going to pour that in. We're going to stir it. We're going to cook this for about another 5 minutes. Absolutely delicious. Look at that. Really lovely. Okay, some fresh cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that. Job done. I'm so happy with that. That is a winner, an absolute winner. You keep safe, you keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.